Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we will be learning how to fix unidentified network error in Windows 10. So in order to fix that problem, you will have to open up command prompt. So simply type in the search box cmd and right click on command prompt and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes on user account control window. So we have our command prompt with admin rights opened. We will be typing some commands one by one. I'll give those commands in description box. So the first command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. And our second command would be netsh int space IP space reset. So it is netsh space int space IP space reset and press enter. And our third command is Ipconfig space / flushdns and press enter. Now you can close the command prompt and simply restart your computer. So we are back on the desktop, and now you can check the problem of unidentified network will not be there. Well, that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Thank you. Bye bye.